Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore your Microsoft account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we have this support article of Microsoft, and from here we will learn how to restore data in Microsoft Backup. So basically now you will be needing just like to choose, for example, your recovery point objective. That means like the amount or the frequency of your backups or restores. And basically you will be also to restore data from either OneDrive, SharePoint, and Exchange. And depends on the servers that you want to have backup, and you will be needing just to simply go to these specific services. So basically in OneDrive, you will be needing to go to your Microsoft admin center, and from there you will be needing to go to the backup page. So here on the backup, you will find the restore. Basically now you will be needing to choose the type of contents, and in our case we are using OneDrive. So basically then you will choose the date and time where you want to have a restore or a backup, and then you will choose the date and time or to select a faster restore point, and you choose all the information, and basically you add the restore points and you confirm everything, and then you will need just to click on save, and you go to the submission where you want to have the or the destination where you want to have like your backup to be or to be sent, and basically you just like restore the OneDrive accounts, and the same you can do for SharePoints and Exchange. It will be similar, and then you will need just to confirm, and it will be the same stuff. So basically, this is how you can restore or have backups on Microsoft. Thank you for watching and see you next time.